Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is the first time coming across my videos, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload new video, you will be the first to be notified. I really appreciate everyone that is supporting me. May God bless you all. Please don't forget to share my videos, like, leave positive comment down below in the comment section. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Hello my people, I greet una with better style. My people, I don't carry another ogbonge gist come give una my people. As I see this one, I say make I carry come give una mark and listen. And I know say na inside social media now for they see what e be say we never see before for this world, my people. Because plenty things they happen where be say our eyes never work out jam, but inside social media now we dey hear and see plenty things, my people. So my people, before I go drop the video, I greet una good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time we be say una go take waka come across this video, my people. So make I drop the video, make una watch.
Days, the way I now know the people of this world, they don't go for their own to do their own to say I took the contact from Rita, I took the contact from Julie, I took it from Faith, I want to come and do my own. They don't go there again. They don't go to do their. When they go there, they start asking about you. They start asking questions and information about you where don't first do before. They start zoloing the person questions. They start asking the person question to say, the time that you did it to Faith, how you take do one? How much you take do one for her? Which material you take do one for her? Which thing you take do one for her? How much you pay? They will not be interested about your own personal life that gave them the contact. 9% these days will be say, you really have to be careful before really need to know the person. Or you really need to be careful before you will be giving out contact of that has to do when you carry your privacies inside. Contact that carries your privacy, you have to be careful. You have to know the people. And if you want to ask for something like that, I think it's wise and good if you make the person to also know you. The person when they ask the something, you will make her know you. The person will know who they talk. The person will see and say, okay, many people follow me. I am not pursuing thousands of followers on Facebook. I don't know who you are. I don't know whether now wait if I repeat itself. Now you want to repeat itself again. I don't know whether now my own you want go know my personal something. Now my own you define the goal, or you are interested in doing your own personal thing. Because some people are not interested in their own in this life. That is what is problem. Our people say who they do good thing, you know they let people they know who they do bad because of the bad people that are everywhere. You not can't even know the people where they do good things again. You will not be knowing the people who are not good people in the industry. You will not be knowing people who are good people in the market. Bad people full everywhere. They will come make and be like say, oh, everybody are not the same. Which is very bad. One thing that is about doing bad that is not good, where people don't know. The bad way you do today, it will make many people come the fear to even do good to another person. They are only there to collect your information. Exactly. I just the pass. I not theirs. Oh, really? You see? Many people will not be afraid to do good to another person. Something that is supposed to be, maybe that person now in Nigeria, or they anywhere, they Africa. They just want to have information about being able to also do their own, so that they like the thing. Because it's normal, you can like a thing where person they carry they go. Not be normal thing. You can really like it. But the truth of the matter is that because of what don't fair happen to me, somebody like me now where people come they and say, oh, I just like that guy. The time your friends are coming to you, your enemies are also coming to come and also ask you information about yourself. Yes, your enemies they also they come. That same road where your friend they pass on, that same road now your enemy want pass. Because to start with, now friends, most of them might be enemies of today. Now be the enemies of these days. Not be friend be the enemies of these days. Same road where your friend they pass on. Not give the person if the person really need them. Make she go ask Google or Coven. You see, now that same road, now enemies also. Now then they also they pass the con. Yes. People come meet me before say, Rita, give me this thing, I just like them. It wasn't about like, it was about looking for the information where you buy them. See where you buy them, oh, see how much where you be, oh. You know, people are not concerned about their life. They are concerned about the life of another person. How that person they do and how it be. Now that one be their main concern and their main focus and whatever. They're not they concerned. So now concern where people go they fear. Before you start dishing information about yourself out to people, whether you are on social media or you are not in social media, I think it's very, very important for you to know the person that you are dishing out information. So, good or bad, you also supposed to get 1 or 2 information about that person. You go also know something about them. Eh? You will know something about them. Not the person where you don't know something about. You will just come. You will just settle down. You will just tell her about you. Tell her. In the quest of say, maybe I need to help this person, or I need to give help to this person. The people where people they get problem from these days, they are the people that you help. Your sympathy heart, your good mind, your good heart, you say, me I use and take help person. Me I use and take command this person for problem. Me I use and take show this person road. Me I use and take open this person eye. At the end of the day, that person might not be having the thought where you they get. If you know they get the kind thinking where you they get, the thinking where the person they get is different from what you are having. Your own be say, hey, let me just help a person and command this person for this problem. But that person will be busy celebrating to say, I define the information. I don't see her now. I think I don't get her for my hand. It don't fair happen to me before. So in case you call my WhatsApp, my people, and you ask me something like that, and I didn't deliver, I don't deliver the way it is expected. No verse. Now because of waiting, I don't first see for social media. And these people, there are people that are close to me that I cannot disclose. If they are disclosing themselves by themselves, now business they do. Now business they do. The different person will go follow them do business. But because of the kind person when I be, because of the kind position when I did this time around, because of the way elemented they lack. Because this time I don't even need to shit. They carry the shit come out for the time I belay the shop and by themselves. I don't use my power till they press my shit again. No. Now before now they use power press shit put on for ground. I'll tell them say, Mona bring a plate where they good. Mona can't use a golden plate shopper. This time around now they do the pressing for me. Now that they need for toilet, my shit go come out, they go shopper. So because of that one, my people, that is why I will not be able to deliver. If you ask me something like this to say, I asked Rita so thing. You don't tell me. You don't deliver. You don't reply me. If they use me, they run for a side or so. Yes. As you say the way I tell explain that so. Because I've been people say, oh man, or me cannot what. I tell you go wrong. You go wrong past house. So now so it be my people. People of these days are very wicked. We not see wickedness for everywhere. Wickedness is everywhere. Yes. Person where go plan say, I want to come and do you something like this. Before they come, they will be arranging themselves. They organize themselves because they ready they wait you. You no. You where they ready they wait. Because their tummy is full of evil. Their belly is full of evil. The only thing they think about when they break is evil. How do I hurt this person so that I will be happy? No. Person where don't already get joy. You don't get joy. You don't get what you want one. Person where don't already get happiness. Except say that happiness na fake. Now you go fit doing something. If that happiness not be fake, now good one, now genuine happiness now you get. You don't corrupt a genuine happiness. It's difficult. Because genuine happiness only come from the hand of only one person, which is God. The only place you can get a genuine joy and a genuine happiness from in this life is the hand of God. Now only God they give person genuine joy for this life. Any other happiness where the world give you is a fake one. It's not a genuine one. Don't believe in it. Which kind of happiness where God is it a husband that the world will just give you? That husband is not a God-giving husband. It will never give you happiness. You not go feel happy. You will defend the joy, but you not go feel get that joy. You still be wondering to say, are they married? But I don't get joy. It be like some people where they use written name this chat for how many months now. He can't get belly, he can't go inside, he can't show to us say I don't get husband though. At the beginning, when things were still okay, when the love still there, you will see it. That time she suffer carry himself. He carry himself. He say, no, I'm not interested in this nonsense anymore. I don't have time for this thing. I now have happiness. You could see it that time to say, this thing, they enjoy him, it's good. You know, if you have eyes, you could see it. You could see it. This ABS, I never block them. All this one are friendly friends with the corner. You see, you could see it that time to say, that thing was still genuine, not be fake. But now, wait, this say, because say, now you go use it, say, he can't take collect husband. Now you go use it and take collect and not be God given. It's not a God given gift. You see the frustration, now all the depression where they seek all this while. Before you can't even carry that person, say, me, I go use and take bone. Me, I go use and take bone, join my picking. You could see the fakeness and everything. No peace again. No joy. Oh, belle, okay, don't want okay, do be Rita, not even man and one day. Till today. You see, you know man and one day because I don't already see what to be problem. I don't already see and say this one is frustrated. This one does not have a real joy. This one does not have a genuine happiness inside her. Your happiness is not that genuine. Listen to this my video. You know yourself. A happiness is read that way. Place where you put your work. The only thing that will deliver you from the depression where you did. So the spirit of frustration, the spirit of searching around and looking for a genuine happiness and you are not finding it. The only way and the only place you will get that thing from is to genuinely wait for God to favor you. If you don't genuinely wait for God to favor you, you run. You go to use your hand, take the fine ring when you want quickly buy, give husband, so that they'll say, I get husband. When you want quickly give boyfriend, when you want quickly give this one, you are using your hand to run when nobody they can show you. Like, now so you just did this Facebook, who what you will cause. Who what frustrated, be rat up. Now so your life will be. Why they frustrated, you go say next, you will still call the next man that is available. Hmm? One minute, my people. I quickly read to reply to this message. Yes. You see? Now that same way, you will not see genuine joy. You will not see genuine happiness. You not go see. You go to try by best, your best and your best and your best to say, oh, let me find genuine joy, let me find genuine happiness. You don't see it. And you will be busy attacking the person where not even saying you. You go busy attacking people where not even give you attention. You go to busy, they attack the whole world. After you don't attack, before you know, you start attacking your children. Now, so they collect children from some of these single mothers where they say that they find trouble, they fight, they do everything, they go for straight. Not so that they collect children for their hand. Before you know it, you see say government go come, you can't collect the say no, the depression level is not too much. The depression level is now on the increase. This person is no longer normal. This one is more than what we understand. Before you know, they will come collect your picking. They will carry them, go government. If you are on this shoe, if to say now this shoe, now you day, now so that they collect people children. So the only thing that will really give you a genuine happiness for you to have peace in your life, the peace that passeth all understanding, is when the happiness that is in your hand is real. When it is real and genuine, it will be seen. When it is not genuine, it will be seen. They're not the type person. The people where you say they even there where you did that they support you, say they the one that say, well, a frustration of water like before. Hey, whoa. Frustration where they this one, but they not they finish. Yeah? Why this person's frustration not they finish? Day and night, you will just come out for day, you will come sha, you enter. You will come out in the afternoon. At the end of the day, each wear a freezer. Am I buried? Instead, when you come and motivate people on how to do burial, the way I use my marriage to motivate people the other day on how to do honeymoon, I make Benny boy. Then the marriage in wow, I'm not begging honeymoon, I'm not begging anything. Where the next day was my live video was with me. Ma wa no bag me na na ma o me yeke. Igbino jealousy nwagbina, igbino vasabi we una dey fight, jealousy fight we una dey fight. Na me una wan fight am. Una never baff. And hear wetin I talk so. Una never baff. Una hear wetin I talk so. Wa ma ehwe. Wa ba ehwe. Una never baff. Not be me and una go fight that kind of fight wey be say Ni mabu waka gbina na person wey me don beat long time ago and they cry till today. I don't beat you, I don't beat you, I don't pass. It's something the way they important. I will come out. I will come talk am. Then I will see waka. Are you getting me? Mama Rita, when you go teach how to manage a small cassava for husbands. So how to manage small cassava for husbands. Then they manage am well. I be you your mind they tell you say that they cause depression for people body. Maybe the cassava small well not do okay. At the end of the day, it don't cause frustration. We call they call the swear for Facebook, call they cry, call the kitty ogun the tea sango the tea ya. If they cause some small cassava they cause some, but they manage them. You can manage it. If you say you are a sex therapist and small cassava they cause problem for your body, meaning you are not a relationship or a sex therapist. Because if you be test sex therapist, you know how to press the button now. You know how to press the button. You know the things to do. Now frustration, they worry. Yes. You where they carry plastic, you that always bring out plastic this thing. Gree, you go they use after they shake and at the end of the day, you not gonna know how to do something that will make you to be happy. How to do something that will give you real happiness. How to do something that will give you real joy. How to manage the small thing where you get. I don't understand. If you want to manage it, you don't need a lot to manage it. First and foremost, somebody say she dey cry for the other side. Now so they talk, they say she dey, you know since when that one don't dey cry. That one cry now you don't pass for how long? For 9 months. Now me if you make am get mercy and the distraction man gbe one. Now me cause am wait for session not kill am for 9 months. Now so I suffer to sit down. I put one leg for one corner. I leave am make they cry they go. I not be your mate. Your mate they call you for Spain. You are wet here where we Spain Sarah. On you are by ye. We don't get you when do we saga. Ma pege saga. If women wait they inside now the suffer they collect. So each take for copy and here with dona. Oh, mama staring. Call my work phone. Call the other phone number. Not call this one. Your mate will be Sarah. If they call you for Spain, you they follow her. No, I be your mate. You are working here. You want to the only thing I can only do to you, I'll leave you no at here, Boba. Maybe they see you go on, I know say na frustration they worry you. Mo when we are your boy as your dog street. Ya na magwala when we are you go dey ring na me where a frustration do la we. Hello. How you dey? No mena. Imwe yo. Irela. The Nigeria account number no. The account number. Which number in they find? So the number where they tell you open the account. Okay, ya send the ribbon. Ni we send the area. Thank you. Wow, I say. You tell la don't worry. You tell la this way. Anywhere. Thank you. Okay, go send the area. That one not the app. Na account number gia no. Ma send na. We never send the my people go wait. Me I send na gia we na awa me area yawe. Chap we na yawa me area yawe. Me I send na come my darling, my sweetie. My sweet poripo. Oh, yeah, but Alemo, according to the Asian people. Me, I say, na my marriage gift you want give me so, Thank you so much, sister. God bless you for the marriage gift. And the people who give me marriage gift, I also give them 1 or 2 things. Marriage gift, I also give them. Because it's good to exchange love. It's good to exchange gift. You know, when somebody give you something, you also need to find something. In Africa, they call for. Even though say na 1 cup of ogbono, even though say na 1 cup of egusi, even though say na 1 best spread, even though say na 1 cup, now I fit do for you. Even though say na only this one, now I fit do for you. There is love in sharing. You don't always just be a taker who don't give. My people, I want to show you something. Do you know, for a very long time now, people have been trying to attack my Facebook, Rita Ayemiemo TV. That they try their best. And they know they sleep for Isaiah, so they know they sleep, so where Rita Mata hold them. They are trying their best to try to unpublish my Facebook, to try to fight my Facebook, to try to bring my Facebook down. They're not fit. They're not fit. Facebook sent me a message, say your page has been unpublished. Rita Ayemiemo TV. It has been unpublished. They are busy paying different people. Paying this one, paying that one to unpublish my Facebook. This one, I'm just celebrating the monetization today. This one just got adverts today. This Ritutu Ayemiemo TV. I just monetize them today. My enemy not the sleep. Why me over? Why me over? Because me, a movie trainer I be. Because my joy is genuine. They try to unpublish, and Facebook sent me a notification to say your page has been unpublished from the surface of Facebook. Rita Ayemiemo TV is disappearing because it has been reported for fake news. It has been reported for fraud. Are you people hearing me? It has been reported for fraud. A Facebook way me be say I get the contract when I take register for government hand. I'll be saying now I register for Germany. I'm a worker. It's registered and my tax is being paid. They reported it for fraud and reported it for whatever. So as a reporter, I now sent to Facebook the papers I used to register it. The papers I am using to pay my tax on this Facebook. When I send everything, they just gave me a notification right now to say, after reviewing your appeal, your page, Rita Ayemiemo TV, has been published. This means it can now be viewed publicly. Look at the information. Look at it. See, just bring them, Mona read them. Screenshot it and read it. My page was reported for fraud. It was reported for this. I don't know the people who are busy doing all those things. The power won't take the try. Won't take bring another person down. Won't use and take work on yourself. Now happiness go continue. If you now try use that power to take work on yourself, to take get the real genuine gift of God. Yes, I saw it that day. I saw it. Thank you so much. You see, we needed to send the paper. My husband just sending me a notification to say he received the same notification again. You understand? He received it over there. Just sending me a WhatsApp to say, I saw the something. They just also send it to me. You see, Una not go fit bring Rita because my page is now clocking up to 100,000 followers. They are trying to say we want to fight it and try to bring it down. At the end of the day, any finger where you get hands in trying to bring my page down, you almost come down on this Facebook. Why? Because you are trying your best. You are trying your possible best to bring down the work of another person. So therefore, your own must go down. I don't know who you be, but your own now go first go down for this Facebook. Your own will be the one that will first of all be unpublished. Your sweat will be down in the twinkle of an eye. Your plan for me will be your portion times 10. Your plan for me and my household, it will be your portion times 20. Now it will be. As now they plan this one, God monetize this one for me. I don't need to go look for person papa, go look for person mama to come and monetize my page. No. This is the second monetized page that I have now. Without even doing what you people are doing. Without even going to the extent that you are going. Without even shaking hand for people eye like this. My page also got monetized. Or let's say person carry his hand on his leg. He can't meet me, he can't shook hand for my eye. Then I go open you wide, I will still shook hand. I tell the shook hand. Injection where they use my mouth to give you. Because the one where they talk, it be like say, Ibo bisaga no, you not get where they go. You not get where they go for somebody like me, body. If you are trying to fight me, you are trying to bring my sweat down, may your sweat come down in the twinkle of an eye. Mona help me say amen, put. Amen, they need Jesus. Eh? If you are trying to fight me by... You can't bring my Facebook down because my Facebook is registered in Germany and it's paying taxes. Anytime I want to make nonsense like that, I'll just send my registration certificate and I'll pay my tax. I will show them my tax payment paper. I don't care. I don't be person where be say you know they work where Facebook money. I'll be defrauding the government. Never. It's registered and it's paying taxes. You can't do anything to it. Even though say that money I get for inside, even if it's 50 cents, Germany must take their own inside. So I have all the papers and the evidence and everything, which you can do very less of it. So you were there so they take care of a mama, or you were there so they talk 24 hours. We not do your own like that. You can't say you can't feel report my own way. You can't work for you. It not go work for you. It not go work for you. My God, why my people? Oh, all right. Now so it be. So my beautiful Ayemiamo people, there are some people I have decided to say I will respond to. I will challenge them. It gets somewhere I just put them for one position. Cause I know where to go kill them by themselves. Yeah, I know say that depression and frustration I go kill them. That one way just the UK depression and frustration here boo. Woman way newborn. You will come born as you born finish. No freshness. No. Adoma me ya we go. Why problem wa? What if you na problem? Husband not even carry you come and say my wife newborn may use you therapy. You go even the first the picking according to what they tell you. The first picking for your papa. Baby come and see picking. Daddy come and see picking. Honey come and see picking. What for some more ya we ran no mondo. Ni radio dego mo wow. Wow way. Na person na cause frustration for your body. Na person cause frustration for your body. Who are mu dia even go mo bia. Who that be e to bia ga your own. Wet dolly gbeji, wet dolly toji. As you be last year, we move forward. E kona no be amana o sie no na be ladian here na be ho o da ho yeke. If not, ateri yen ko igba na be gbo. Who te frustrate be na ga work boni sanru bitali. Who te frustrate be na ga work boni sanru bitali. Na as you see bon finish your body see they come up poro we no mo se no ma be ya dolly gbo e ji no kan mo. Na lie yo. Wa remudia ba ni so 24 hours me eritokia we might we promote me for good. You see and say anything where you dey fit do it come off from my body. From this your eye from 92 days I'll celebrate another thing for your eye for inside here. Go be like blue film for your eye. Now me now you want say you want feel corrupt joy. Make joy image na go one of my genius where they corrupt. It be like una own way una dey use na money buy for market. It don't be like that. There is difference in Ikebe. Ikebe get different. You see, my own not be big one, but na genuine one. Na my Ikebe be very very genuine. I don't need now me they pity you na me I know they give you na mouth. Mo wa pity you wa me tell you what do ke gun ogbudu but if I leave mouth for your body you will cry for many months. That pikin, I shall pay when she born don't look like which I don't know. That may make us frustration with your body. Your mates they call you for that side. Say Larry no dog na we mo we go with sagamari mi o wa le here. Amari we rita. Oh my God, tattoo we there na. You go dey my okoroko tomorrow. Tomorrow you not dey my unisan. The other day you go dey my nyash. Wa return. Wa a frustration we ga increase. The time where you were supposed to just take come and go be have go eva you toya yin Sarah say Sarah la wo we do gbe na ye mo bo. Message we gbe a. Go meet Sarah. Tell her say Sarah la o hian gbe mu an yi bi e ba son. A frustration hian gbo hian mu an. No wa ba no we gan ri yo ba no we gan we do. We advance. Wa do so we wo ke kokobiri. You dey cry for Kokobiri wife neck. Ko we for Kokobiri see you egbe a. Abi la Kokobiri wife na cause am for your body say we just fit to my tin egbe bi e ba big minere. At the end of the day tie ya it is a blade ya design we na balemewu. Ya momo ladian. Go and sit down. The reason why I not dey like some of una me I really dey beat una. The way it take dey my mind because I dey see am for una body for una dey cry say wetin I tell una not dey come for una body. O wa sick am. Whatever dey form me ladian. If I tell you something, not they come up from your mind. Why so you're so you not go they cry they go. Why wonder waiting with the territory? Why they say no even get what they do for Rita body? Now me be Rita because I know I say a better parcel of now they see fake life for yourself by life. I they see fake life for yourself na life. I know they see genuinity. I wish I they see genuinity. Maybe you na forfeit they do the something go they meet me. Now me be genuine person for where una dey. But my genuine. I dey see una say by force, una dey find real happiness, no come. Una dey find real joy, una no see. Una dey find real husband, una no see. Una dey find real human being, una no see. But when they say that boy niggas go bekun, to ya tafia. This thing will be the ground, so it don't concern you. Ama make no na kan we, who that dey come you da una tafia be minere, ze tafia at the end of the day. Me where they get 500, 300, I go get confidence, I go get joy. I go get happiness. I'll sit down for live video. They do my video. They go like say nothing they happen. When I'm in 2000 wakia vien you talk, you see, you not go get joy. We make joy. We make happiness. We make joy. We make happiness. A video no ya kulo boy you voni san. E ya rada. mo we vision ba beg we ni ya gia senya we ni ya kama we ba jaw we come be say happiness not dey yourself again. Happiness not dey your life again. Mo we no area na go bokpa me you dey speak English wey not reach your mind. Not be concern for your body. Otuni o majeje ye. You new enter UK. Idare okin. Idare ve nuje ada live o ye more than me na no mo ya na lie o. Ugbo na be dion ma be de na o hia na ye because over sabiolo ho. So frustration in the acid they don't collect you here ya pelu go here do na me concern for your body say you cannot take what you are giving out on a daily basis. More see you gbia. Now because for your body say you know the fit take wetin you dey give every day. Every day you will come and they fight for live video. Every day you will come and they talk with they don't give you. And you know adwe ke kiabu we must see where you are. I've been a me tell them they come they report your page. Not be all this people where they Facebook where they are matter not they hold. Not be they carry wahala come meeting for Facebook. Yana ya see you very well. Imune kiabu we make ke no ade no do we saga. Ana we memure o. Atatu we memure o. Atatu at the end of the day magi beg atatu we less where. Ni mwine re mwina ni mabe e. Work where other people they do now yourself on they do. Iva bo. Hello. My darling, how you dey? Romeo, air speaker. The man. Wow. Congratulations. Apollo, that one big for me now. That one has small money. You do well. Now God will bless you. Yes, thank you so much. You got anything? Let's see. You don't win now. You win You congratulations. Mudia finish yati when we live video. Yati when we are finishing. I will call you if I finish. Me will talk that one. You hear? Wow, congratulations for winning it, the court case. Now so we go the win and they go. Ritoto and their people we go the win and they go. One win, another one win. Yes, I'm battling. We are down or yet with kuje must you gbea. Where your mates go be say na person dey Nigeria so mommy of the ticket or ya here. Ogwebu ero wa you dey do over sabi for that side where your distance not reach you want put your a rejection when a bomb was so go gbera gbuju we Facebook. Any what you say. Way. Ebon why I tell you my oh one lobby at the end of the day. I cause on a matter not the buy butter for where I did. No matter not the buy butter for where I did. So I'll give you advice. Advice when I want to give you so if you use it good for you. You hear me? Just carry yourself, go kneel down, go beg Sarah. If you know say the frustration in you is too high. If you know say the woto the enter. If you know say the injection they reach you where it they dilute and they disorganize your blood. If you know say the thing they enter your body because the one where they talk me I don't know where that person they talk. He may where one not frustrate. And they look you like person way frustrate. Negi me na jaw. And they look you like person way what is just in it speaking on have a walk bam over that. On a do mwekone. On have a beer. No ya beer like bag mo ho. A bag mo ma ho. You just do when then I will be. Since when you take bomb, can't reach now where we dey so. You never get rest one day. May you take rest. Say oh a new bomb. 2 weeks, 3 weeks, now tell even for live video, I enjoy myself, they go do on him. Only your money, be I tell una say the time when I get on a time, now I'll come into na contact una. All those chatty one at the talk. Now me una the chat like Oviekita, they call for us, I say, come answer me, I'll constantly come answer una. If I bola work, I be your mate. So, not be me and you, not be the gather they do all those things. I go only leave you. Be you they cry, where they cry for that side. The time where I feel like say I want you constantly increase your depression. Or I want you constantly talk to you. I'll come talk to you because me and you not be the same. Ya wo mum or more am he except ye we Nigeria boy. Lever. If pikin get to, it can never be like to way mama take bona. Alunga ne gbe de to way pikin get and the one way mama take bona. So my own to and your own don't be the same thing. Look me where na me be Rita. My own to when I carry and your own to not be the same thing. Alunga ne gbe de inside. You are who are okay cannot be your mate. Children, e mo no nye o we I know how to deal with them. Children, where you hold the way you be, I know how to deal with it. Depression, why may increase it. Or it you out that you now, why fuck up with you out that you may not be as well with Conari. So, not be me, and you will consider to add me, may we look the person where you want to deep pass for inside. Are you hearing me? So now so it be now my reply be this to you for all the oversabi and the attention seeking attitude where you don't seek. Now my advice to you now be this one. If you want a genuine joy, you don't call a man and invite a person to come and marry you. It's not possible. I even see and say he carry my marriage picture where I tell do marriage. He go put on for a platform. They compare my marriage and him together. There are many things where she don't even compare for inside. When I look the video, you not compare age. That they not be aware. 30 years old, you even the day 70 years no go mokwa. You not compare that one. You forget say the picture when me take now ordinary phone now take am. But your own, you go put picture where you go do for Photoshop umuyeba. You forget say me do marriage, genuine marriage. Agaria harira me na ya marry me biba. Ina with tradition, ina with everything. You forget say we lie a shop, you go buy with the gun where you like. You buy with the gun where you like. You put for body. Ana ya me picture of that. Una do muye Facebook because you want to prove a point. The reason why I know the two get to na time, all this child play when they follow me they do. Na kosan because the fair do na totality. I read do na totality finish. If you wafu wa be na we na ye mi ate ya hinisa. You find kokobiri no rishi on that video ba. When they say that you bad they do this, but they not like whether good or bad. They are like koko no nyanwe. Even kokobiri they not like having all those things. Now cause depression for your body. So the joy and the happiness when you supposed to get, you not gonna get her again. Who we guy you know? This is not Gary, not be Gary. We persisted the girl joy and happiness. When the family go they call her for here and there say, oh no. One me ate muri o hin no rek your ba. When they go tell her that kind of thing, you say go get your time again. Now cause depression for your body. Are you go dey love of Becky mind here? Are you go dey love? A love genuine one salu body no man. Was you go kwe no matter the hustle, you are on your own. No matter the joy and hustle, you are just on your own. You'll be wasting your time for no reason. Now be the problem where they worry you. Now be the frustration. The time when I hear say or when they talk say get belly, I was very happy. I was celebrating. And now Saloba was I me no that damula. You don't the Saloba was see. I me I don't want to turn onamulawa. I say I do am yo gie bunuenia. Ugie netero wala tiego ga siakon ba. Oga zele bonama ke no kede oga so gbele kan okoya no ragbon gbele no re. At my mind, come to tell me say now that she has also found the person who has decided to carry her enter her house, I say maybe we will see the happiness for a man. More will see her as it go be. At the beginning, before I think 1 to 2, 3 months of that pregnancy, they see joy for a man. He was happy. I say, oh, if me young man, I saw Benin people they call her. They say me young man of Butiti. Me and you not be the same marriage where I go to some 9 years inside. 9 years now they inside this relationship now before we go to marry. If you're my value when, are you hearing me? I'm not your mate. So. He did there. I say, this one wait, be say this one dead. In have dadamula wana. I be agonona. Increase the volume of you. I say, when be am go be a bambi momo. Carry momo go outside. They give her the form. They do this. I say, a bag mo have no way. If they find attention for it, hand go. You be small picking. I'll treat you like a child that you are. Who is your mate? So there was some more happiness inside your mind. If they happy, if you sit down for sure, they go. It was even advising us not to do saga again. Say saga not do. You know the Facebook again. Say we advise us. You know which this advice where this one come they give us. So hey, on a la wa when you come be say na person where be say somebody say but why that girl be like man? Ask me. There is no joy in her. She get the qualities of being a woman. You get better breast. You get better nyash for back. But kemanak back. I never mock me because it's always I was serving a kita. No be your pan mama the bag mama oh. So when I see and say when they happy, they speak that English. I say, hey, oh, be zaye herenia, big bonona. Or be me man over ya mene. Maybe I am me ora problem oh because they see water. Ya wa ya mene, je gari kokobiri no ma. Meaning they were giving her water on time. The water was coming on time. It's just that mommy don't move away rock. You go carry this one where they say you need paper. This one say I go follow you. More go buy with the gun. Me I can't take picture. I will follow you, no problem. So far you give me paper. Now on my way. Now person say you must always go and you say they will laugh you for Facebook. Come on, I give my myself an avier. You carry me come and stay they do say maybe me and I can't do competition. Now I solve it the time when I take sample, I not dey even go there. Now people come they let me know days after. Say, you go carry your picture put for there, go strike out. Now I go give a strike, you strike comment for your Facebook. Now I make they cry up and down, they try to report my page. So I go use strike, get comment for there. You don't know what it means by people's property. You don't touch people's property anyhow. Property where I know say na my own, you can't carry and go put for your platform. But not be on that way lamogun. What kind of nonsense is that? You cost from January to December, they look you like say, where you got VN boom with that. Now money they use and get. They use until they get. It's an evidence that I'm better than you. It's an evidence that I can feed you. A pregnancy, I fed you throughout that pregnancy. Before you come born for that pregnancy, now me feed you. He feeds you, whether you report here, you're deported. Agba will not be no one mind here. It be no for real. Your platform, so some people even come this my inbox, they tell me every day. If they come my inbox, they'll come, they tell me every day. See, Rita, not mine, I even know her through you. I didn't know you before. I know her through you. All the Rita, she's chatting. Even when they say us, they chat, when they street, they chat, they go, we know her through you. And I come to like you since I know you. So, what your talkie want to do for my body? Instead, no, I have the when we are in me. You say, Ranuta, my way, over Sabina, man, team and do mobile. Now, I cause away her meet me like this. Where the beating, this frustration increase like this. No, ya imi anu zuobo. Mami obo. Wag ya imi no increase dozy with every day. You say na person like me, wait, be say I gallant finish. Wait, be say I so good to pay and so good to pay like bo. Na person like me, now you want to the shake for your mouth. You not see me the way I be. You not see me the way I be. You see anything like fake for my body. You see and say I must package them before I come out from live video. Come talk whether I want to talk. You see and say I dey fear you, I be you dey my house. When me amurena when it boy, I go increase your depression. Because I not be your mate. As you say I be the day we pass you now, be the day even I yak be ka ya volian. Ya volo we kere wa aguri. So my dear, person where mama die, she come out next day, start to do saga because of Facebook money. That one get life. You say, Rita, your life, they intimidate all of them. Jealousy go by them all. I'm telling you honestly speaking. So that is it. Since when she dey cry for this Facebook, now say I don't reply on one day. You might tell her, say, I want Rita, I want to talk to Rita. I'm not your mate. You when you are when you know ya bolu boy. You go meet am. Are you sake na you saba na high? If I when are you sabe Mario sabudo me. I wish you hold debt for year. I for collect the debt for your aunt. Mario Sabedian ye kakakaka unario saluga because that one they do you they go okay it gets in your saga mate where you go enter you say na lie you want go complete the saga because no always say we go as a labor man in your of street say o ma fear bo where you obonia o fear bo where you obo depression when include marrying you do modo. When are you coming out to motivate people on marriage? You not tell people make they not marry. Say marriage not good, say na single life na go pass. Single mother. Yeah? Single mother. I don't like it when you talk to single mother. I don't like it when you talk to single mother. Okay, we obey la dia. Mami we ubo. Ama we gwe no. Ama we tama we no mure na mami we no na. Ama me we mulawa. They still collect am for your hand, they carry enter us. No see on, no be problem we na so. Egbe mana ho. Wait, be say women if they marry, they really get husband, you will see her for their body. You know they see your boss and the husband. Then what that from when you have la Facebook no wado gbe no wa fiegu ni sama go. Abi e gwa fiegu ke be we yoba. No wado show a joy who why genuinity or relationship or wado show that we camera wado fiegu ke be abeg boy ekwe. Abi family no go green. Ya kwe no do gwa fiegu ni sama fiegu be live video wa fiegu wo ko sa na me wo pa fiegu. Let's see how best when we are on do go you marry. Na so life be. Somebody say she not go boat meet Sarah. You see, person they call you a wetty, you are bien yegbe wahin. Or we want to be waligi. If they call you say Larry, you egbe wahin. Oh, what they do go look here. Or Jack they do go look here. And women make way and they say I go way, because the ignore when me give you it too big. I'm not your mate, my dear. Hey, the right return, the return class, the return to the retake care, the retake forbidden. All those are not get what they do somebody like me again. I have already known the truth of the matter on this social media that I am better than all of you that is chatting. I better personal. Rita na Mario, a marriage. In our way, I talk and say no be the one way we not do. Wana yo boti wa ba dalare do gbokuku yo nwe webu. Me no go do that kind one. A harira me ana gba. Wo wana na bi o me ra to a na gbo me. Even though say it go take me 10 years, I go wait. Una see inheritance. Una inheritance put for head say na lie yo, na me cause na me tell am me go do the marriage to say no be me. When no give man no ya wa we. A teacher name certificate or a teacher ma be no ma be go ya. You with the same person make person go do you. We are we va la me. But my teacher can we give me. So where's the evidence? Now me the same person that can marry. If any of una come out now na area harira in we just so beg you we say irita we the right way na me can go. If you come to talk say you will not do that kind one. How you want to talk say na you teach me. Wait, be say there's no evidence of you teaching a person. Where am I? Now be ordinary talk, you talk for that side that day now. Ordinary talk now is your talk. Say you will marry you will not take you with me at here. A person want to talk whether directly that me you come to cry say na me the total. When I already know say I balance, it doesn't you to. I'll come to cry say no, na me this person they use it directly total. All the talkie will not talk all this way. I don't ever open live video. I can't tell you say. Now me they use it directly to this one be like say na me get be your me balance. I get your conserva for my body. Yeah, they work what do what they your balance. Are you hearing me? Now so it be. I fake a joy. Wa fake a happiness. If na lie me we wa me na say. If na lie me frustration la we be. You want to fake it to Sarah to say you better person. Why am I so we Sarah want no ho me with Facebook. When no me no e also me and no one. It define genuine one. You know the year and way they use math to talk and say define genuine marriage, genuity. Ni abo ya gba we me ya people go see and say na genuine ya mu go genuine wa hariri yin vision. Not be the one where they buy for street. Why it you bought you ya gba we lari ya de gan. Ya de we the gan jodo ya me picture do mu fi Facebook. Am I your mate? And we are so say you know guys you want cry rich for this Facebook. Me I can't even say oh my river. Emi ni make gbeni, igbe ni gbera yi. You understand? Igbe ni na gbera. Igbo ni gbo no ho ya so for 20 years, 3,000 years. And then what we feel like today now me I still give you small talk. I will give you oh yeah come out for Facebook and say you go buy ring give am. I was and they me an put. I'll make anyone when I dey ring. Have you ever seen where a woman will go and use their hand to buy ring before? It's an abomination for a woman to go and buy ring and give themselves by themselves. Why I know they wear my ring now? Because they wear for the fixer. The ring where my husband people buy is oversized. I know they there when they buy it. My husband only day hand. If you see a knife, you come, you see a ring for you. My own not they my own because I know they there when they buy. You know the size me it was too big. They fall. They need to reduce it so that it go they enter my hand. And appointments that they work for Europe. When the appointments come, I'll go and collect it. I put it in my hand. Every by force because I don't do it for you. I did it for me, for myself. We did it for ourselves so that we'll be okay. We have been planning it. 7th of August last year. I made the second marriage appointment that I was having. Second marriage appointment. The corona constant break. Now we tell you the one. I want to tell you agmonic buwa. Wa masati we when I'm working on my own. Now can't come out. Can't take glory for we are not even plant put. Quand they say, now me say, I can't say make it can't get done. It can't go do. What's the woman awake bunny? A traditional marriage picture no why in na buedo. Do fear na jena we akbunoro e bejo. We ma be me wani sis ebi ati e get a depression like be no that be momo no ma me we agba ho momo. Sis that one no still see you carry come out. Princess Evie, good evening my sister. We to bugwa no we akbo we marriage. We ma be me picture marriage mu ladia. The only marriage picture where you can show us can be am sana to ya gave paloyan you we too. A marriage be here. We marry ba odafun river. If you have seen the total dating as family here be zeke. O haro pa man. Yeah, where is the evidence you got on that for yan? Ero, if you have seen what total mosque was a mosque na mo picture there on ya. You na la jan we you have on that for me. Va here jan. You just carry this thing come out. Ya move outside picture ke na total you wet to yan deke toji. Wait on that for yan do we marriage. A picture no wagi ya we ne marriage. E gi agmo begi. Wa look here o wa when I go why get reason we are not the like to talk to una if I talk to una not the quick come for una head eh anything we are talk to una dey stay or even na osikamu e la you wagbere anytime we una take come out una go dey cry on top of that thing every day na cause sometimes we be see you wagbere ya we wan wa talo we want me dey feed the chest time any problem even waka ye gallop or delay but now only one I go tell now. So now so you tell me yo. Now so you tell me yo. Rita can't tell me this one. You know the time when tell me. You know the time when talk this one. You know the time when talk and why that soldier for life. Eh for we buwa. Eh here white be. Help me to share the video, my people. Share. Share it. You come out here, come to say, Erita not do marriage, Erita not do marriage. At the end of the day, we will manage traditional picture. Okay, walk out. A traditional picture, we will look at a traditional picture, why traditional marriage. Where do you, my man? What better to tie your Facebook? What's one hour marriage you have a social media? Why go mezzane and why? If I live what for now, where you see us? Eh? Where they make an hour marriage with Facebook, who make begbera? Even to say your pan on their life again, even to say no fit build us when they are life, where my bo, or why didn't anybody no bo one and after to cook away palo? Eh? Una not get where it matter who na. That person will better person and there una concentration go there, una must concentrate on that person because if una know say don't already better person. Kokobiri na jebo we ona re. E school ya no jinu wajo be do ken wana on kwa kokobiri na jo da fun wa mala o. Amami on da fun wa beba. Ona ya gbe on ni mu we wana aho mengine e bu wa. Kokobiri ona ya je kia nya mengine bu wa. O da fun wa bo. Why una husband no go there? Oh wa woni ya. Gbe no ya kpo no re bejo no wa be marry. A marry we ya marry we. Ri picture no da fun ya la wera. Ero. Picture where your husband take enter your papa house. Since you say nwege ya marry na me no marry. Yari e picture no gi ma be bege ba o. Okay, o ma be wife ma be mudia. Okay, work pa be no. All right. E picture na be yari na be ya no ya fie we la dunira. Na ya bege bi ba ira be yari ere heri o da kele bi honi. Eruwe we ya da do yere mu rebe ke no na hin oge hin abostra. You carry and go come for where they waka you they go for Ostra. Mazin do mu fi ma. Imagine the lot of time we no so no we. No da we.
Thank you everyone for watching. Please don't forget to leave your own opinion what you think about this video. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye.